From past 6 months, we have come to know a lot about coronavirus. Yet, there are a lot of things we are still unaware of. Scientists around the globe are still trying to figure out the exact nature of the virus and ways to contain it. Every passing day, we came to know something new about this deadly virus. In such circumstances, prevention is the only way to keep oneself protected from getting infected. The government is unlocking. Theatres are going to open, restaurants are fully open, and schools are going to open. In such situation, what is our utmost priority? That is to focus more on immunity. Immunity is not just take a medicine and you get immunity instantly. You cannot boost your immunity instantly. It's a gradual process. How to develop immunity? The proper breathing. That is, you can improve your breathing capacity or lungs capacity, improve your lungs capacity by proper breathing, that is by doing pranayama and having proper diet and also exercise, yoga and meditation all together should be done parallelly. Yoga, meditation, sattvic diet and breathing exercise all together will help you to develop immunity. In Hatha Yoga, we do yogic breathing. But starting we cannot go to yogic breathing, we have to go in step by step. First we need to master abdominal breathing, that is belly breathing. And then we have to add on to the Ujjayi breathing. Then finally we should come to yogic breathing. So first let's learn abdomen breathing and let's master abdomen breathing. Okay. So I'm going to illustrate these breathing exercises in capsule. Why I have named as capsule? Because in allopathic medicine, when we consume a capsule or any medicine, only 60 to 70% of it is utilized to treat the illness. The other portion is deposited in the body. These deposits have more harmful impacts on the body over time, including lowering the immunity of the body. So, but this capsule, what I am going to give it to you is 100% efficiency and no side effects. What capsule I am recommending now to you is breathing exercises which has 0% side effects and 100% efficiency. Before doing any pranayama or breathing exercises, your posture has to be corrected. To facilitate this, please do back namaskar. So by doing this, you automatically ensures that your spine is erect. Now, let's start abdominal breathing. Place your right hand on the chest and left hand on the stomach. Now, inhale deeply. Expand your stomach. Now, exhale and pull your stomach inside towards your spine. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Repeat this 9 times, inhaling and exhaling deeply. We take 12 to 16 breaths per minute. That is approximately 17,000 to 23,000 breaths per day. These unregulated breaths go unnoticed in our daily activities, resulting in shallow breath. So, ideal breath rate is 6 to 7 breaths per minute. And researchers have shown that slow breathing, that is 6 to 7 breaths per minute, promotes healing and restorative qualities. It promotes anti-aging, reduces stress level by reducing cortisol, and also reduces blood pressure. Let's move to the second exercise. Now lie down on your back, relax completely and fold your legs. Raise your hip. Stay in this position. Inhale and exhale. Repeat this 9 times. And then you can relax and then again raise your hip. Then inhale and exhale for 9 times. Do this process for 3 times. One, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in 2, breathe out 2. Breathe in 3, breathe out 3. Breathe in 4, breathe out 4. Breathe in 5, breathe out 5. Breathe in 6, breathe out 6. Breathe in 7, breathe out 7. In 8, out 8. In 9, out 9. Stand in Tadasana. Lift your hands up while breathing in. Interlock your fingers and stretch your body. Completely stretch your body and then start abdomen breathing. Breathe in, stretch your stomach or bulge your stomach. Breathe out, suck your stomach in. Repeat this for 9 times. If you find this video informative, please share with your friends and also wait for the next capsule.